Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and making it editable. Unlock or duplicate the background layer so edits are non-destructive. Next, pick the Quick Selection or Magic Wand tool and adjust tolerance to 420px depending on edge complexity. As you click and drag, add to the selection for foreground coverage. Hold Alt to subtract where the tool overshoots. Once you have a rough selection, make sure edges are visible and proceed to refine rather than continuing raw deletions. Once the rough selection exists, open Select and Mask to refine edges. Increase radius slightly for hair or fur, use Smooth and Contrast to tighten contours, and Feather for gentle transitions. Choose Output to layer mask so you can non-destructively hide the background. Then, fine-tune the mask. Pick a soft brush to blend hair, a hard brush to restore sharp objects, and paint white or black on the mask to reveal or hide. Make sure to toggle Preview to judge final edges. To finish, put a solid fill layer under the subject or export the file as PNG for transparent background. If you see halos or fringe, use Defringe or manually clean the mask edge with the Brush and Clone tool. This reduces color bleeding. If background color spills onto the subject, add a selective color or hue/saturation adjustment clip to the subject and correct the tint. If something still looks off, undo and refine the mask edge until the transition appears natural.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.